Hello, apologies for my voice. I am almost done recovering from COVID, but I am excited to share with you a continuation on another switch, the KNC Green Jacket, but this time linear. Disclaimer, I did buy these with my own money this time, and if you want to learn more, you can check the link in the description below. Similar to the tactile counterpart, they both use an HPE top, a nylon bottom, a 13.9mm palm stem, and a 63.5 double-stage spring. These are manufactured by Texi, so my note on Franken-switches applies here. If you use these bottom housings, make sure the tops don't have the two prongs on them. And as for stems, they fit both cherry and milky tops. A couple things to note, these switches are factory lubed, and quite decently I might add. Only a small number of switches I have some noticeable leaf ping and some scratchiness to them. The other is that with the Ongo long pole stem, the center post is slightly extended to compensate for a normal travel. First impressions, these switches are quite smooth, but not as deep sounding as I was expecting. Using these alongside my Tofu switches, the Green Jackets have a slightly sharper sounding tone, probably from the HPE top, and feel-wise, they're not as soft on the bottom out, but your mileage may vary on that. Overall, I think these are a pretty solid contender if you're looking for a snappy, long pole switch that's not super dead sounding and is already factory lubed. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one.